So with all the quarantine going on, I've been quite bored. I haven't been able to make videos for a fair while now. And I was just cleaning my car and I was looking around my garage and I found some old ABS plastic I used to make my diffuser for the Civic Type R. So I put it up against the fuzz and I don't know, I might actually just do it for something to do, to be honest, and I can always take it off if I don't like it when it's done. Obviously I'll need to cut it down to the right sizes so they're all equal, but it might look alright. I actually forgot I was filming a video, so basically what I've been doing now is just cutting a little bit of that lip back, just using a Stanley knife, just so when I actually have it up to the car you're not going to see a chunk of plastic at the bottom of the bumper there. So for example, like that, just looks a bit cleaner. These, I'm not changing size too much. I actually forgot I was filming. I'm not changing the drop of how much I hang down by much on these. I'm just making them all even so they fit fine on that. Obviously I made this for the Civic, which was a different bumper, so it's more to suit that, but I'm going to try and make it work with what I got, something to do. So I've got all my diffuser pieces made now, and I'm thinking it might not actually look too bad. Let's make a start. And now my wheels have got one then. Just doing all the lining up, and I don't know if I like it or not, but it's easy enough to take off and I won't see any holes in the bumper either way, so yeah, something to do, ain't it? Bit of content for you all as well. Final screw going in now. So I'm actually pretty chuffed with it. Really happy with it. Right, thanks for watching. I'll be doing normal content again soon once the quarantine's over and I can get myself some new parts in. I'm ordering a SMYS spoiler and a blobeye style STI scoop. Those should hopefully be the next videos.